Shop TV. We are your hosts. I am Janina Van Hoven.
And my name is Mon Gualvez.
Mon, alam mo, nahirapan talaga ako sa paglinis. Alam mo kung bakit? I put so much effort just to scrub, and apart from that, I use so many different solutions for all kinds of surfaces. Plus, hindi ko pa alam kung sobrang harmful yung mga chemical sa solutions.
Nako, Janina, hindi ka dapat nai-stress in terms of cleaning. Dahil here on Shop TV, we have this amazing product. This is the Tank Shot Multi-Purpose Cleaner that will answer all your concerns. Ang maganda pa rito, it was awarded as #1 home product in 2017 and was awarded as most popular brand in 2018 sa Korea.
Galing! So talagang credible siya, Mon.
Bukod doon, napakarami pa niyang special features. One is it has this quick and powerful cleaning. So hindi mo na kailangan mag-scrub ng maigi because it easily removes all the stains, the molds, and even the toughest dirt. Pangalawa, it is actually multi-purpose. So you can use it as cleaning solution dun sa inyong toilet, sa kitchen, kahit nga sa mga sasakyan ninyo or even sa mga marurumi nyong damit.
Galing! Alam mo, another great thing about this is it's made of natural ingredients. It's actually made of coconut, oranges, lemons, and phytoncide.
Nice.
Now, what phytoncide is, it breaks down the toxic substances. So talagang it's clean. Apart from that, it provides 99.9% sterilization. So it kills the bacteria, and it has a fresh orange scent. So here to show us exactly how this Tank Shot Multi-Purpose Cleaner works is Mr. Jong. Hello, Mr. Jong. Yes, he will demonstrate just how powerful this cleaning is.
So this time, we have 2 glasses. Lalagyan namin ni Mr. Jong ng Ako Water, siya naman, ng Tank Shot Cleaning Solution. Ayan. So, and of course, lalagyan naman ni Mr. Jong ng oil, yung both glasses. So, kita mo naman, di ba, yung oil, ang hirap-hirap niya talagang linisin. Haluin lang namin, ha. Itong sa water, kita mo, parang namumuo lang dun yung oil. But with the Tank Shot, kita mo, di ba, na halos parang na-diminish niya or humalo talaga doon sa cleaning solution. So, ibig sabihin, malilinis niya yun.
Yes! Alam mo, another difficult thing is when you're cooking in the kitchen, bakit your oil splatters will go all over the place, and we all know how difficult oil is to clean, diba? Normally, like if you use your regular cleaning materials,
Ito,
whenever you try to clean it, it actually spreads the oil instead of removes it.
nga.
But here, as you can see with the Tank Shot Multi-Purpose Cleaner, what he's doing, he is spreading it around, and instead of spreading the oil, it falls, it drips out. So, when you add water, talagang tingnan
Yung sa
mo,
akin,
spotless, natatanggal yung oil. Pero dito, nag-spread pa siya. Hindi lang naiwan, nag-spread pa yung dami. So, really, this Tank Shot Multi-Purpose Cleaner does such a great and powerful job.
Yung spray nozzle ng Tank Shot has this foam feature.
Yes.
Para nga sa more powerful cleaning. Lalo na yung mga mahihirap alisin, no? Gaya niyan, yung mga burn pots, saka yung mga, di ba, yung mga ilalim ng pants, ang dami-daming stains na nalinikit. Ako, iniiwasan ko yung linisin eh. But with the Tank Shot, mukhang kailangan na talaga akong maglinis lahat ng mga pots dahil magiging madali na siya for me because of its quick and powerful cleaning feature. Kita mo,
Natatanggal talaga.
Wow!
When normally it takes you so long to remove it.
Ang daming is mong gagawin dyan. But with this Tank Shot, di ba, spray lang, tapos wipe mo, parang bago na. So even yung mga old pots ninyo at saka pans, pwede mong i-restore yan with the Tank Shot.
Correct. Alam mo, another great thing is in the bathroom, di ba? Sa bathroom, nagkakaroon ng molds because your dirt actually gets into the center, into those
kadiri, di ba?
crevices. So talagang you have bacteria all over the place. And not only that, when you try to clean in the bathroom, you really have to spend hours and hours scrubbing. Pero dito, sa Tank Shot Multi-Purpose Cleaner, all he did was spray some, and then look at that! With the water, you can see the dirt, the grime,
Ang galing!
even the molds. They're all just cleaned.
Wow!
As in, this really does such a powerful job. Plus, it provides you 99.9% sterilization at it's not harmful because it's made of natural ingredients.
Ang galing. Isa pa sa mga mahihirap talagang linisin, guys, is yung mga paint when you're doing home renovation, di ba? Yung mga naiiwan na paint. Si Janina is doing some spray paint here. Tapos lalagyan ni Mr. Jong ng iinitin niya ng fire. Nako, para talagang lalong manikit yung paint.
Naku!
Ibig sabihin, napakahirap niyang tanggalin. But with the Tank Shot, no, of course, napakadali lang at madali niyang maaalis yung paint na yan.
Wow!
Oh, di ba? Kita
Alam
mo, sumasama na.
it really removed it. At saka, alam mo, normally, when you try to remove paint, you use paint thinner. At nako, paint thinner is the worst kasi ang dami talaga mga toxic substances. Pero ito, look at him. He is actually just using his hands.
So
you
wala
can-
kang magiging problema kasi nga,
Yes,
natural
It's so
ingredients.
safe. And look at that. Parang he's not even putting a lot of force. Talagang he's gently rubbing it and the paint, parang it just comes off easily. You don't have to worry about that anymore because with the Tank Shot multi-purpose cleaner, it automatically removed it. So talagang, what are you waiting for? Alam mo, this Tank Shot multi-purpose cleaner is just your one-stop shop. It cleans everything. It is the only thing you need for all around the house, outside the house,
Galing.
any kind of job. And here at Shop TV, we are offering to you an exclusive Shop TV price of 1,495 pesos. Now, outside, this actually retails for 2,000 pesos. So you save 25%. And not only that, Mon, we give you this entire package. That's 8 bottles. So this will last you for almost up to a year. Plus,
Wow!
yeah, almost an entire year.
Ang
Plus,
galing.
meron pa siyang 2 spray na kasama.
Ang maganda pa rito, definitely talagang assured ka na natural ingredients yung components nitong Tank Shot. Kasi di ba compared with other cleaning solution na maraming harmful chemicals such as lead, mercury, cadmium. Nako, dito 99.9% sterilization pa yung isang feature niya. Kaya naman kung sakaling may mga bata kayo or toddlers na gumagapang pa dun sa inyong mga floors, nako, di nyo na kailangan mag-worry once ginamitan nyo ng Tank Shot yan kasi definitely safe sila.
Yes, so what are you waiting for? Call now 817-7000 and get your own Tank Shot multi-purpose cleaner today. Mon, I'm so thrilled and excited dahil I really found my answer to all of my cleaning problems. Along with this Tank Shot multi-purpose cleaner, I don't have to bend my back and keep scrubbing and scrubbing anymore. Tsaka I don't have to use so many different kinds of solution dahil it's just one multi-purpose cleaner. And not only that, it's not harmful because it's made of natural ingredients.
Totoo yan, Janina. Napaka-credible pa nitong Tank Shot multi-purpose cleaner dahil it was awarded as the #1 home product noong 2017 and was awarded as the most popular home product noong 2018 sa Korea. At
Galing.
napakarami pa niyang special features. One is that it has this quick and powerful cleaning. So hindi mo na kailangan magkuskus ng
Yes.
maraming beses because it is easily removes all the stains, the molds, and even the toughest dirt. Pangalawa, it is actually multi-purpose. So you can use it as a cleaning solution sa inyong toilet, sa kitchen, kahit nga sa sasakyan ninyo, or kahit nga sa mga marurumi yung damit.
Yes, not only that, as I said, natural ingredients talaga siya because it's made of coconut, orange, lemon, and phytoncide. Now, as we said a while ago, yung phytoncide, what it does, it breaks down the toxic substances. Not only that, it provides 99.9% sterilization dahil it kills the bacteria. And it smells so good because talaga meron siyang orange scent. So may
Bango.
deodorizing effect. So again, here we have Mr. Jong to show just how powerful it is.
We have here 2 glasses. Lalagyan lang namin ni Mr. Jong. Ako ng water, siya naman ng Tank Shot cleaning solution. Okay. So this
Okay.
time, lalagyan naman niya ng grease oil. Itong tubig at yung Tank Shot. Kita mo, and we will mix it. Kita mo yung sa grease oil sa tubig, namumuo lang siya sa taas
tingnan mo
talaga.
yan!
Pero sa Tank Shot, di ba, it dissolves. Wow! Sa akin, see,
Ang
namumuo lang talaga. Pero ito, nalinis
linis!
niya agad yung grease, oil na mahirap talagang tanggalin.
Yes! Alam mo, isa pang surface naman, mahirap talagang tanggalin is when you have oil in the kitchen. Bakit? Let's say when you're cooking with oil and then there are splatters all over. So yung mahirap doon, as like your demonstration a while ago, it really sticks. Kumakapit talaga siya. So
yung
here
mga
is
cleaning
the
solution
old
nyo.
kind of cleaning solution. Whenever you try to clean it, what happens is you actually spread the oil.
Wala.
Versus dito sa Tank Shot Multipurpose, tinan mo yan, bumubula tapos it falls down. And as you can see, when we try to clean it, talagang natanggal yung oil versus with your regular cleaner, what happened? You actually spread the oil and the dirt. So hindi lang dirty, it becomes dirtier.
Kaya nga, yung spray nozzle nitong Tank Shot has the foam feature para nga mas powerful yung cleaning niya. So ito, no, yung mga stove natin, talagang napakarami din mga oil from the
Naku!
splatters. Naku, this time talagang ang dumi-dumihan yung mga mahirap linisin. But with this Tank Shot, no more worries dahil talagang madali lang niya yan maaalis. Diba? O, tignan mo to. Wow, you can see the difference.
Oh my goodness!
Tignan mo.
Talagang powerful ng cleaning nito!
Tignan mo yung difference niya sa talagang napakarumi, but this one, tignan mo naman, napakalinis na because of the Tank Shot.
Yes, at saka another very difficult thing to do is when you have like windows or you have mga screens or fans. And the difficult thing is it really gets into the crevices. But
Correct.
here with the Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner, hindi mo na kailangan ng kung ano, you have to buy another toothbrush or iba pang solution. Pero dito, all you have to do is just submerge it in the solution and very quickly, what happens is the dirt, all the grime in between the screens, in between all of those small areas, it just seems to, it dissolves.
Wow, ang
Tingnan mo,
galing.
nakita mo
Hindi mo na
talaga
kailangan
yung
mag-scrub.
difference.
Di ba?
O diba?
Di mo
And
na
not only dissolves, the thing about this, it's 99.9% sterilization. So
Wow.
talagang malinis siya.
Isa pa sa mahirap din talagang alisin or linisin, Janina, is yung mga markers, di ba?
Yes,
Sa
if somebody-
walls, di ba? Pag may mga kids ka, ang
Sad
daming mga dinodrawing. So dito, wala ka nang dapat i-worry because with the Tank Shot, di ba? Ayan, oh, yung mga bata natin sa bahay, kung mag-drawing mo sila sa walls,
Oo.
siguro picturean nyo, pwedeng masterpiece nila yan, di ba?
Sad.
Tapos linisin nyo na lang with the Tank Shot because this Tank Shot cleaning solution will actually remove all the marks na yan.
At saka, alam mo, Mon, yung great thing about it is it's natural, so you don't have to worry about any of the
Oh, wow.
harmful chemicals. Tinan mo, natanggal lahat.
Parang wala kang nasulat at all,
Oo
di ba?
nga, so you can
Ang galing.
restore your walls and your furniture with it. So talagang this Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner is an all-in-one. There are so many great functions and dahil multipurpose nga siya, you can use them absolutely anywhere. You can use them in the kitchen, you can use them even in the car, even with your laundry and the
Wow.
walls. Anywhere. At hindi lang yan, it is so powerful. So even with the toughest of stains, it will remove it. And we are offering that to you here on Shop TV for an exclusive price of 1,495 pesos only. Whereas if you buy it outside, it retails for 2,000 pesos. So think about the 25% discount that you are saving. Plus, this comes with this entire package. You get 8 bottles of this Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner and that is good for almost an entire year. At
Ang galing, ha?
Galing, diba? At meron pa siyang 2 spray.
Ang maganda pa rito, Janina, is that it is made up of natural ingredients. Di ba? Compared with other cleaning solutions na napakaraming harmful chemicals na components gaya ng lead, mercury, cadmium to name a few, na talaga namang harmful sa atin.
Yes.
But this time, hindi naman na magiging problema yon. At isa pa, meron itong 99.9% sterilization. Kaya naman kung sakaling gagamitin mo siya sa floors, tapos may mga bata kayong kasama sa bahay na gumagapang pa, di ba? Once you use the Tank Shot, wala ka na dapat i-worry pa.
Yes, so what are you waiting for? Pick up the phones and call now 817-7000 to get your very own Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner today. At hindi lang yan, you can actually go online and go to www.shoptv.com.ph or you can visit our socials, that's Facebook and Instagram at ShopTV to get your own Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner today.
Thank you very much again for watching. Again, my name is Mon Gualvez.
And I am Janina Van Hoven.
We hope to see you again next time, only here on Shop TV.
Tools get rusty and greasy over time, but that doesn't mean you have to throw them away. With the Tank Shot Multi-Purpose Cleaner, you can rescue and restore your old hand tools so they can look good as new and function like the way they used to. Just spray the Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner to easily remove the tough dirt from your exhaust fan. Remove bathroom stains and molds with a quick and powerful cleaning solution. No more hard scrubbing when cleaning every part of your home. Just spray the Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner on the surface and the dirt easily dissolves. The Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner is an all-natural solution, making it safe to use even when cleaning kitchen utensils. Plus, the solution works like a laundry detergent, so you can also use it to wash stains from clothes and shoes. Quick clean deep stains and dirt on the floor, toilet, sink, kitchen, and in any part of your home, school, or office. Replace all other cleaning solutions with just one product. The Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner can easily remove deep stains, tough dirt, and even bacteria with just a few amount of the solution. The Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner is truly the solution for all your cleaning problems. No scrubbing required. Just spray and swipe to clean all types of dirt in seconds. Make every part of your home sparkling clean while saving time and energy with a Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner.
What are you waiting for? Alam mo, this Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner is just your one-stop shop. It cleans everything. It is the only thing you need for all around the house, outside the house,
Galing.
any kind of job. And here at Shop TV, we are offering to you an exclusive Shop TV price of 1,495 pesos. Now, outside, this actually retails for 2,000 pesos. So you save 25%. And not only that, Mon, we give you this entire package. That's 8 bottles. So this will last you for almost up to a year plus.
Wow!
Yeah, almost an entire year
Ang
plus.
galing.
Meron pa siyang 2 spray na kasama.
Ang maganda pa rito, definitely talagang assured ka na natural ingredients yung components nitong Tank Shot. Kasi di ba compared with other cleaning solution na maraming harmful chemicals such as lead, mercury, cadmium. Nako, dito 99.9% sterilization pa yung isang feature niya. Kaya naman kung sakaling may mga bata kayo or toddlers na gumagapang pa dun sa inyong mga floors, nako, di nyo na kailangan mag-worry once ginamitan nyo ng Tank Shot yan kasi definitely safe sila.
Yes, so what are you waiting for? Call now 817-7000 and get your own Tank Shot Multipurpose Cleaner today.